Okay, so I have an issue I'm trying to troubleshoot where I lock my car, but the lights don't flash, and even though I locked it, I can go up to any door, open it, and no alarm. Now when I unlock it, the headlights come on, but turning signal doesn't, flash. So normally when I unlock my car, you'll see the turning signal icon appear and it'll click because it's flashing the turning signals. That doesn't happen either. I read online sometimes this can be caused by the totally integrated power module TIPM. So someone had suggested try lightly hitting it, and when I do that, of course it doesn't change anything. I just don't want to hit it too hard and mess something up. But yeah, as of right now I don't have an alarm system, and add to the matter, my locks are already not electronic because something else is wrong, which sucks. So if I lock it, nothing.